Hey, kamusta kabayan? Ano ba date na ngayon? Ha? Ang date na ngayon?
December. Let's see. It is.
December what?
It is the 7th.
Ha?
December 7th. Saturday.
December 7. Nag-i-snow na. Sabagay, nung isang araw pa naman nag-snow eh. Lazy naman. Nag-video ako para makita ang bata kasi kami. Mahilig maglaro ng mga game board like Dungeons and Dragons, chess. Ngayon, meron ng mga tawag doon. Meron ng mga Dungeons and Dragons na nasa online na. Pero before, kami magpipinsan, no, nalala ko, naglalaro kami ng Dungeons and Dragons. Dice pa yon. Tapos may mga problem solving. Ganun na mga board game dati. Especially, meron kaming Monopoly, Snake and Ladders. Eh ngayon, nag-grocery kami, may nakita kaming tan-tan-tan-tan Monopoly! Yan, nung bata kami, lagi kami galaro ng Monopoly magpipinsan sa Manila pa nun. So, I don't know if this is the original Monopoly. Tingin mo, Scott.
Original to. Ito yung original.
So, yan, Monopoly. Kaya, wait.
Hindi ito yung original, pero modern lang to. Hindi siya yung old.
Fast dealing trade Monopoly.
Modern.
So, wala lang. Wait natin yung unboxing. Wait.
Mga bahay, apartment.
Yeah, I remember that. This is your money.
So, meron yung fan.
Nakakatuwa. I remember, yung bahay,
For like the things that you get. And ito yung mga characters na you wanna play with.
Yeah. And this is the... I forgot this.
Ito yung cards.
Ang galing, original nga siya.
Yung para...
Look at the money, original. I remember that was 1986-87. Ito yung pera. Di ba, Cinnamon? Hoy! Ano? Nakalimutan ko na to.
Yun yung characters. Magpipick ka ng character. Tapos you're gonna play with that. We're gonna see the board.
Tingnan natin yung board. It's... Bakit putol yung board?
Hindi pa to.
You see the board? It's the same. The same board. Look at that. I remember this. You're in jail. And then Connecticut. Go. Nalala ko yung Pennsylvania. When you buy a Pennsylvania. Katuwa naman siya. This is nice. Alright. Yun lang po. Kamusta kabayan? At least ma-experience sa mga batang ito. Yung generation.